Oh, day 4. Slice and dice was too much for day 4. Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and this is the 4th day of week 4 of the 30 days of Improv Quilt-A-Long. So we are now up to 19 blocks in this. We got one more to do tomorrow, and we will be done with the 30 days. Can you believe that? It seems like it's gone so fast. So this week we're doing curves. Week 1 we did squares and rectangles. Week 2 we did polygons. I think I did an octagon, and triangles in week 3. This week is curves. It's been the most challenging week so far for me, and I believe it's because the blocks, I chose 5.5-inch blocks, and that's what they recommended. You don't have to, but I think that a smaller block, it's hard to see the curves or to get real creative with the curves. I feel like my creativity has been tested this week, especially here. Today was slice and dice. We've had a slice and dice every week. Today was this week's slice and dice, and I just did too much slicing and dicing. There's not many curves left in that. I put this one in at the end just so I could see a curve. So yeah, I mean, it was fun putting this block together, don't get me wrong. I've had a lot of fun doing this. I'm just not a fan of this, how it ended up. I work from basically kind of the middle out in a way, where I think some people make a big block and then start chopping up from there. So, you know, that could be just the way I do it. Doesn't work that way for me. Slice and dices on the other day turned out fine. On the other weeks, I should say. But today, not so much. I think in the end, I will redo this and replace it. So, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. You'll get notified for day 5 when I'm ready, or when it's done, and possibly redo of this one. And you can take a look at all the other blocks I've done back here these weeks if you're interested. And we got lots of other fun stuff going on the channel, you know, quilt-alongs. I just did a big box opening. Okay, today is day 4 of our 30 days of Improv Quilt-Along. And I'm getting more comfortable. I really liked yesterday's block. It was fun to put together. It turned out pretty cool. So today is slice and dice day. Put some curves in, sew them together, and then start slicing up your block or your curves and putting them back together. See what happens. So I think that's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to it. So I cut myself a little bit bigger piece here because I know that once we start cutting and sewing, it's gonna, you know, all shrink. So, and I've got my extras from the days before, my extra pieces. But anyway, I'm still working with my Peridot fat quarter bundle, the solids for August. And yes, I just got told that it's not pronounced Peridot, it's Peridot. So these are the 2 colors that I'm going to be using today as my main colors. And then maybe add in some of the day prior colors, see what happens. But slice and dice, so let's get started. Let's make some curves. do a little too much slicing and dicing? I might have. I got quite the seams coming together in there in the middle. Well, there you go. There you go. Still like yesterday's better. Again, I think I did too much slicing and dicing, and right here I just got a lot of seams going on. Maybe I can try to iron them. Oh, there you go. There you go. There is block number 4 on week 4 of the 30 days of Improv Quilt Along. Today was slice and dice day, which I did plenty of. Yeah, if you want to see me how I do my last one, tomorrow's my last improv block, and it's utilizing negative space, so I got to figure that one out. How to utilize negative space. So, I guess I'll be drawing off what I did the first few days and trying to utilize negative space, or I will just wing it tomorrow. We'll see. But anyway, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You can watch me do my last block. You can check out my other videos for this Improv Quilt Along, and next week I'm going to put it all together. So I had fun putting this block together. It may not sound like it, but I did. And I had fun making this video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.